Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Norwegian student spent $27 on bitcoins in 2009, forgot about them, and in 2013 found they were worth $886,000. America's first female mayor was elected in 1887. A group of men nominated her as a joke intended to humiliate women, but instead she won over 60% of the vote. First ever Asian giant hornet nest found in US. An attempt to eradicate the nest of wasps, the world's largest hornet species, also known as the murder hornet. Medhansh Trivedi, a class 12 student from Madhya Pradesh, has created a human carrying drone that can lift 80 kg. The spiciness of a chili pepper is not in its seeds but in the white pith inside the pepper. You may know breathing in steam may help with coughing, but do you know why? It calms and moisturizes your airways. You can also add essential oils like peppermint to the water for extra comfort. Gary Oldman once lost his British accent due to all his hard preparations for his different roles. He went to a speech therapist to help gain it back. Samaira, an 18-year-old from Karnataka, has made history, becomes one of India's youngest commercial pilots. Cook with olive oil instead of refined oil, rich in heart healthy, monosaturated fats, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a better option for cooking and overall health. First company came up with this QR code. It was a Japanese company named DensoWave at 1994, and they were the only one who introduced it to the whole world. In 2012, Mark Laita, a wildlife photographer, was able to survive a black mamba bite without antivenom as the bite hit an artery in his leg and caused a torrent of blood to come spurting out, expelling the venom from the wound. European hamster's defense position. Only 5% of the Portuguese speakers live in Portugal. The majority live in Brazil. Losing an hour of sleep when daylight savings put the clocks forward causes a 25% increase in heart attacks on the following Monday. They reduce by 21% when clocks go back. Eat slowly. Your body takes 20 minutes to recognize it's full. Boy math is taking a shortcut that's way longer, but it's faster because you are not stuck in traffic. The cheese used by major pizza companies is monopolized by a single cheese company, Leprino Foods, which has control over 85% of the pizza cheese market. Since Romans used daylight and darkness to determine the time, an hour was 45 minutes in the winter and 75 in the summer. Foods that will change your life. This is the darkest car ever. It's painted with Venta Black, one of the darkest known substances that absorbs 99.965% of light. Women have a stronger immune response compared to men. Natalie Portman studied while filming Star Wars. She attended classes during breaks from filming and graduated with honors in psychology in 2003. The tallest man in history, Robert Wadlow, 8'11", 272 centimeter, and 199 kg with feet almost half a meter long. Add a pinch of black pepper to turmeric. Boost turmeric's absorption by up to 2000%. Despite his legendary status, Jimi Hendrix was a self-taught guitarist who never learned to read sheet music. Eat papaya on an empty stomach aids digestion and helps detoxify the body. Add cinnamon and cocoa powder to your coffee for a mood boost, improved metabolism, and better blood sugar control, plus a dose of antioxidants to support overall health. If Uttar Pradesh were a country, its 240 to 50 million people would make it the fifth most populous in the world, surpassing Brazil, Pakistan, and Japan. One Indian state is bigger than entire nations. Japan has popsicles that do not melt. In the aftermath of the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, some experts were trying to salvage strawberry crops that had yet to completely recover. They accidentally found that liquid polyphenol extracted from strawberries could solidify cream. Blend fresh cucumber juice and apply with a cotton pad to naturally refresh, hydrate, and soothe your skin. Its cooling properties help reduce puffiness and leave your skin feeling revitalized. Dark reverse psychologies. Give compliments less often so they mean more when you do. Declaring something desirable as forbidden often makes it more appealing. A light-hearted comment about a physical feature like your hair looks messy today can boost their self-consciousness. Suggesting they take a break like you should skip your workout today can make them determined to keep going. Telling someone not to do something can make them want it to do more. Making a backhanded compliment like you're surprisingly good at this can motivate someone to prove their worth. Cook with olive oil instead of refined oil. Thanks for watching.